The Apexc, or All-Purpose Electronic Computer Series, was designed by Andrew Donald Booth at Birkbeck College, London in the early 1950s. His work on the Apexc series was sponsored by the British Rayon Research Association. Although the naming conventions are slightly unclear, it seems the first model belonged to the BRA. According to Booth, the X stood for X Company. One of the series was also known as the Apexc All-Purpose Electronic X-ray Computer and was cited at Birkbeck. From 1943 on, Booth started working on the determination of crystal structures using X-ray diffraction data. The computations involved were extremely tedious and there was ample incentive for automating the process, and he developed an analog computer to compute the reciprocal spacings of the diffraction pattern. In 1947, along with his collaborator and future spouse Kathleen Britton, he spent a few months with von Neumann's team, which was the leading edge in computer research at the time. Booth designed an electromechanical computer, the ARC, in the late 1940s. Later on, they built an experimental electronic computer named SEC. And finally the Apexc series. The Apexc series included the following machines. Apexc, Birkbeck College, London. First time operated in May 1952. Ready for use at the end of 1953. Apexc, Board of Mathematical Machines, Oslo. Apexc, British Tabulating Machine Company C. British Rayon Research Association. Ready for use in June 1952. UCC, University College, London. Macromagic, built by Wharf Engineering Laboratories. The HEC, built by the British Tabulating Machine Company, then International Computers Limited, a commercial machine sold in several models and later known as the ICT 200 series. There were likely the derivatives HEC1, HEC2, HEC2M, M for marketable, denoting the machine's orientation toward commercial rather than scientific customers, and HEC4. Only one of each of these machines was built, with the exception of HEC, and possibly Mac, which were commercial machines produced in quite large numbers for the time. Around 150. They were similar in design, with various small differences, mostly in I/O equipment. The APEHC was a punched card machine while the APEXC, APERC and APENC were teletypers. Also, the UCC had 8K words of storage, instead of 1K word for other machines, and the Mac used germanium diodes in replacement of many valves.